Hello traders. So it is 9:52. As I spelled out in pre-market review, our bias on S&P here is only long. That's where we took long as soon as we possibly could. So pay attention to where my trade is currently. Decision point 1 on the chart I brought up to trading room. On my other chart, price in reversal zone. Choice is yours. What time frame you trade and what instrument. Make sense? And that's the power of the price. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. So pay attention as I spelled out. 2043 is not to be ignored. It's a very powerful, crucial level, defined by my method as Fibonacci reversal zone. That's where we expect selling pressure. That's why I named it reversal zone. Expect selling pressure and respect and adore this level. Clear? 3 points later. Another marvelous morning on S&P. But let's pay attention to oil, shall we? As I also spelled out, my bias on oil had been long. Oil back down in reversal zone. But I'm only human. I can do only so much. So pretty please, watch, observe, and if you'd like to join us, we have one spot left for Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. If you ignore that it's a reversal zone on one chart, and if you ignore that it's extremely powerful end of minor trend at the other chart, you do not understand the price, as it's absolutely crucial to adore and worship when price is telling you reversal zone. It means expect selling pressure if you long. It means take the profits off all your table. So we continue being long on S&P. The charts that I brought up to the trading room at very crucial level, as we know that S&P respects decision point 2 like no other instrument. The chart that we discussed with my students in reversal zone, as multiple time frames spelled out to you, buy S&P, and that's the next level on S&P, 2045 and a quarter. Here we are 3 points later. Decision point 2 is in. We knew to expect this bullish rally. Correct? Because this is the end of the minor trend. Alpha Wave Trader proprietary Fibonacci levels that told us do not short, only buy. Oil, drastically different dense, as we're also long on oil. I warned you, 63.31 is crucial area. Absolutely crucial. Pretty please respect it as a first target. Oil, unlike S&P, in reversal zone. Oil once again spelled out to you. Do you understand the difference between reversal versus correction? This was the correction, this was the reversal. We knew not to short oil as oil was in reversal zone. Right now 63.31 is a key area. If oil is blasting through this level, next level 63.40. But I would be floored and shocked if we don't see powerful push to the downside on oil. S&P almost in reversal zone on the trade I brought to the room. Here we go, 5 points later. Pretty please respect this target. Is that clear? All of the levels in front of you are Alpha Wave Trader proprietary Fibonacci levels. Reversal zone is very important level on my chart. It is absolutely crucial target. 5 points later, not to be ignored or taken for granted. Let's pay attention to where oil is. Oil is blasting to reversal zone. Your stop outside of break even. Are you clear? Both trades in reversal zone. Will update the results shortly. That's the power of the price and Fibonacci. No indicators used of any kind. Oil currently in reversal zone as well. Long from 63.17, currently at 63.42, with stop outside of break even. S&P, I expect this rally to continue. If rally blasting through reversal zone 3, my trade migrating into larger time frame. The rule that has no number played out to the tick. To the tick. Every single person here trades different lot size. Only those who trade multiple lots are still in this trade. Knowledgeable trader understands and respects the power of reversal zone. Selling pressure completely expected. But we knew as this trade set up not just from beautiful hourly chart, which is our guiding light for all the trades I take. Guiding light. Do not ever, ever, ever ignore the end of the minor trend. Respect and worship this level dearly. Do not ever short into it. We knew it this morning. Our trade in reversal zone 2045 and a quarter. So is our trade on oil by tick 63.42. Bullish rally is exhausted and taking a major pause. Just like bearish rally was, bearish collapse was exhausted, and we knew extremely well to only buy and buy and buy. It's that simple. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. If you know and respect where reversal zone is, you know to expect selling pressure. That's why I named this level reversal zone. That's why we're seeing selling pressure on S&P. That's why we're seeing selling pressure on oil. We know extremely well that bullish trend is major at this particular moment. The power of the sellers will determine how powerful they can be. Currently, I'm adjusting my trail on oil to 63.23. Very, very important. The power of the sellers next. Let's adjust our trade on S&P as well. Drastically closer. Again, only those who trade multiple times, multiple time frames, are still in this trade, as reversal zone had been reached. And here is a reminder what has happened on our trade. Oh no, reversal zone is reached and price completely collapsed. Is that clear? That is the power of the price. If you know where reversal zone is, you would absolutely respect that collapse on oil by a tick. And if you remove all of your indicators, you would know that clearly. That's the power of the price. Let's update the results. That is our trade on S&P. Out of 9, 8 positive. Trades taken all for demonstration purposes in the trading room. And here's our results on oil. This was trade number 24. 22 positive. 22 positive. 20 trades made it to decision point 2 and to reversal zone. And that's the power of the price and Fibonacci. And that's all I trade and that's all I teach. I constantly develop brand new strategies, and my dream is only to trade with my students without interference from anything else. And that's all I demonstrate in the room, and those are 2 trades you had seen this morning. So let's take a little pause and let's recap what just played out with my beautiful students.